So how can you make the Apple Maps default on the iPhone? And let's explain that. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe because I have so many tutorials which are going to help you out. So if you have like Google Maps or Apple Maps or more applications like that, you want to select the default. You do it by going to the Settings app, and at the bottom entirely, there is the Apps section for all of your installed apps. And at the top of this menu, we have default applications right there. So this is a place where you get to select the default apps for different categories. So like the email or, like web browser default one. But we also have the application selection for navigation. So that is the like maps and choosing that to be the default. And in my case, it's just showing me the Google Maps and Apple Maps. So naturally, I would switch it to Apple, and that's how I get to select the Apple Maps to be the default one. Of course, if you have more applications in here, then it would just let you pick from those as well. Like if you have even more third-party map clients, which I'm not sure there are many of them outside these two, which are like the main choices. But yeah, you can pick from those, and that's how it works. So the next time you click on an address or, like a street name or something, it will go through the Apple Maps instead. So let me know if it works for you. Hit the thumbs up if it does, and subscribe to become part of the community on this channel and never miss anything. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.